Hello everyone, my name is Binay. Welcome to my channel LifeLore. You must have heard about vaccine efficacy as some percentage. Different vaccines have different percentages. But have you heard about the real world efficacy? That means how the vaccine is working in the real world situation. So today I will show some results related to vaccine efficacy. So please watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe. There are several conspiracy theory regarding vaccine efficacy. Some people say this is not working properly in the real world and this is not helping people, and this is many people are getting infected even after getting vaccinated, and so that is why today I decided to show some results. Here is one publication. This is not published yet. This is the preprint. I'll put the link of this article in the description section, and this is done by this research is funded by CDC US. So this shows the efficacy of the vaccine in the real world, and this study has been done from January 2021 to July 2021. So they took some patient data from the hospital and they analyzed differences between vaccinated and unvaccinated. Here is the first result. This is the difference between vaccinated and unvaccinated. This is unvaccinated and this is vaccinated. You can see the difference. This is normalized to 100,000 people. So that means in 100,000 people, how many people are vaccinated? How many people from vaccinated group are hospitalized, and how many people from unvaccinated group are hospitalized? Vaccinated, unvaccinated means after 14 days of completely vaccinated people and without vaccination. So you can see the clear result. This is from January to July. You can see these are unvaccinated. These are vaccinated people and these are unvaccinated people. And this is hospitalization result. You can see the differences between vaccinated and unvaccinated. Unvaccinated people are clearly getting hospitalized more than vaccinated people. This is cumulative. This is around 431, and this is vaccinated people. This is only 26 people vaccinated. Only 26 people are getting hospitalized as compared to 431 from unvaccinated people. You can see the differences. And this is the next result, which shows the weekly hospitalized people. You can see the differences also here. This is vaccinated and this is unvaccinated people. The weekly differences also shows that unvaccinated people are getting more hospitalized than the vaccinated people. And here is the table, the ratio between vaccinated and unvaccinated. From the beginning you can see the ratio. That means unvaccinated people are getting hospitalized 17 times more than vaccinated people. You can see lower age in unvaccinated group are getting more hospitalized than vaccinated people. Some people are arguing that why there are infections even after second dose. My answer to those questions is, even if you have completely vaccinated, there is a chance of getting infection, because vaccine works only when the virus enters inside the body. Still, after getting vaccinated, if you want to stay safe, you should keep social distancing and keep wearing the mask. Then only you will be completely protected from the virus. The message here is vaccine is doing its work and you should do your work by getting vaccinated. Get vaccinated and stay safe. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye. See you in next video.